Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce to you a legendary SUV that has been a staple of the automotive world for over a decade, the Mazda CX-5 Sport. This iconic vehicle has a rich and fascinating history that I'm excited to share with you. The Mazda CX-5 was first introduced in 2012 as a replacement for the Mazda Tribute, and it quickly gained popularity for its sleek design, agile handling, and impressive fuel efficiency. The CX-5 was designed to be a compact luxury SUV that would appeal to a wide range of buyers, from young professionals to families. Over the years, the Mazda CX-5 has undergone several significant updates and redesigns. In 2017, the second-generation CX-5 was released, featuring a more refined and sophisticated exterior design, as well as a number of advanced technologies, including a new 2.5-liter turbocharged engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Today, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 Sport is a highly advanced and capable vehicle, featuring a range of advanced technologies, including a new 2.5-liter turbocharged engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and a range of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. The CX-5 Sport is also known for its impressive performance capabilities, featuring a sport-tuned suspension and a range of advanced driving technologies, including Mazda's renowned G-vectoring control system. This system uses subtle adjustments to engine torque to improve handling and stability, making the CX-5 Sport a joy to drive on both the highway and the twisty roads. Throughout its history, the Mazda CX-5 has earned a reputation for its exceptional handling, impressive fuel efficiency, and premium interior design. Its rich history, advanced technologies, and exceptional capabilities make it a truly iconic vehicle that is sure to continue to impress for years to come.